Hello everybody, this is Brian with Crypto Blocks. I wanted to do a video today on the top 10 cryptos that I would be investing in for the next bull run. To give you a little bit of insight, I've been in crypto since about 2019. I use a lot of Fibonacci extensions to get my price targets for coins, and of course technical analysis too. I use a lot of that to determine where I'm going to get rid of something or hold on to it. But I just wanted to do this video because I think a lot of people out there are confused on, especially coming into crypto, you're confused on what to buy, if it's a good company, if it's not, if it's a fly-by-night job. This past year has been pretty tough on crypto with stuff crashing and things going down, and of course a bear market. You're going to have that in every market, but I just wanted to highlight a few things that a few solid companies that I'm pretty sure you could invest in and you would be fine. But I gotta say, this is definitely not financial advice. This is my opinion, and these coins are ones that I personally have invested in. But well, let's get to it. Let's take a look at some of these coins. What I wanted to show you first of all is how I use this Fibonacci extension to see where things are going to go. If you take the Fibonacci, you put it on the last all-time high before the bear market happened. This is with a total 3 of the crypto market. You drag it over and you get your extension and price targets. On this one here, we just about made it to the 3.618 on the total 3, but I got some more to show you in Bitcoin. Let's take a look at it here. Let me show you how perfect this thing was. Put it on that, drag it over. We almost perfectly hit the all-time high on this. According to the fib, a full extension would have been 73,000, but we got to 69. Another example, Ethereum. Let's check it out here. I have it on a weekly chart right now. Take the fib, put the extension on it, drag it over. Ethereum hit the 3.618. So in my opinion, between the 2.618 and the full extension, the 4.236, you're going to have a pretty good idea where a coin is going to go. Let's put it on Tron once. Tron, these are coins that have been around since the beginning. You can't really do it on newer coins. You can look for targets, but look at Tron, almost a perfect 4.236 extension. It was down at what, penny, did about a 18x the last bull run. Let's see here, Neo. I'm just showing you a few examples. It can also backfire, like this one here, Neo. Neo didn't do anything. That's what I wanted to also show you. Don't count on this for everything. Dash, Litecoin didn't do nothing. The total market cap. But it's amazing how it can hit perfect on some of these coins too. Look at this total market cap. Bang. Dead on. Full extension. That's the total crypto market cap. So if we take that extension, let's see if we want to get an idea of where it's going to head next time. Put this Fibonacci on it. Sorry about that. Put the Fibonacci on it, drag it down to the low. If this happens, the next bull run, we're looking at, around $10 trillion. Between 7 and 10 trillion. If you use the Fibonacci and you believe in it, I use it a lot. You can use it for retracements, extensions, all kinds of stuff. But let's get into these top 10 that I'm looking at. Top 10 cryptos I think are solid. Number 1 is Bitcoin, of course. It's been around since the beginning, and this is the big one. That Fibonacci extension that I just showed you on it. You put that at the bottom, drag it over. Almost a perfect extension. Let's see where Bitcoin could go next time. Put it on there. If that is the low, if it is. Oops, sorry about that. Let's get out of there. I'm not a pro at this, guys. I'm trying. You're looking at a $242,000 Bitcoin. Between 150 to 240. That extension is going to hit somewhere up there. Believe it or not, it might be hard to believe right now, or you might think it's going to go higher than that. And I'm with you, but Bitcoin is number one for me. Cardano, jeez, what a great company. Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain. They're doing lots in Africa to get people banked in Africa, and I don't see Cardano going anywhere. I love this company. Extension on this, when I got into Cardano, it was 4 cents. I remember that. I remember getting it at that. It was insane. 4 cents. You're looking at about a $12 Cardano next time. It has an all-time high of $3.09. So, of course, I wish I would have sold it at the all-time high, but not too many people do. And but I got in at 4 cents on this, so I don't know. I sold somewhere up here around $2. Let's see. We went over Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum. Another one. This thing isn't going anywhere. That's for sure. The fib on it last time. Yeah, real close. Let's put an extension on that and see where it could go. This is with a Fibonacci extension. You're looking at a $17,000 Ethereum. Wouldn't that be awesome? Its all-time high that it had, let's see, it was $4,878 was the all-time high. So it's down to $1,600 right now. That's a solid good one to invest in. You can't go wrong with Ethereum. XRP, oh boy, I love this coin too. Crypto is very addicting once you get into it. It definitely grabs a hold of you. Wait till you go through a bull run and experience all that. But XRP, if we put a Fibonacci on it, and that is the bottom, you'd be looking $7.44 XRP. A lot of people think it's going to go to $10, so you think it's going to go over this fib. It has an all-time high of $3.40. So actually, hold on a second. For some reason my chart isn't giving that all-time high on here. This has $1.99 as an all-time high. That's what I seen for an all-time high was $3.40. So let's try this fib again at $3.40. Let's see what we come up with. $3.40. Let's see what that says. Yeah, $13 XRP. That sounds more like it. $13, $10 to $13. That's the next time, and I truly believe that'll happen. You're buying it for, if you're buying it at 40 cents, and you're making that's a pretty decent profit. Let's see. Okay, moving on. XRP. Oh, geez. Here we go. Matic. Love Matic. Polygon. Yeah, I bought that. Believe it or not. See, way back here too. What was it? A couple cents. It's crazy. It's Matic. It has an all-time high of $2.92. And let's put a fib on that once and see where that could head to. Get down. I think we hit our bottom for crypto. I really do. Well, you're looking at 11 bucks. Yeah, anywhere between 9.50 and 11 bucks for Matic. Polygon. That's awesome. Love this company. They're another one that's not going anywhere. If you ask me, I mean, geez, they were the whole way down here at 2 cents during the last bear market, and they're still holding up above a buck. I mean, it's a solid coin. It, you know, so I think it's going to hold this trend line the whole time. I really do. You know, it's holding very good support. A lot of people holding on to that coin. Okay, moving on. Gala Games. If you know anything about this company, they are amazing. Gaming. You know, what more solid industry could you be in? I think gaming's probably one of the top money makers out there. But believe this or not, you know, last bull run I bought Gala Games. I bought 250,000 coins. This is no kidding, for $50. $50. It has an all-time high of 82 cents. I did not sell at 82 cents, although I wish I would have. I wish I would have, that's for sure. But let's see where Gala could go. Putting a fib on it. Gala could head up to 350. Anywhere between $3 and $3.50. You know, you could buy it now for 3 cents. You know, that's 100x. You know, that is nothing in crypto. 100x. And like I said, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm telling you what I've been through, and companies that I believe in. You got to do your own research on stuff, but I'm trying to give you 10 solid coins that to look into anyway. Okay, next on the list, Avalanche. Avalanche is solid. It's a smart contract platform. Has an all-time high of $144.96. I think it has hit its bottom. I can't see it going any lower than down here. What's that? You know, 10 bucks, 10.60. You know, it's almost at 20 bucks now. What a good coin. Avalanche, solid company. It's another one. It's not. I don't see it going anywhere. Let's put a fib on it once and see where it could go. Love Avalanche. A lot of good things to say. That's amazing. You know, $594. Between 500 and 600 bucks. $20 coin. You know, 50x, 50, 60x. You know, that's nothing, guys. If you don't believe that, wait till next bull run. You know, it happens all the time. It really does. All right, moving on. BNB, Binance. That another one. They're not going anywhere. That's for sure. You know, they 24 bucks. You could have bought in back here. 12 bucks. Whatever. You know, 30 bucks back in the beginning, and it'll never go back down there again. That's for sure. This gotta love BNB. You know, if you could snag it for $185, that's a steal in my opinion. You know, I don't think it's gonna go. It might go back down there for a little bit, maybe. If we hit a stretch here of bad luck, but it breaks out of that trend line right there, and it's gonna rip, I'm sure. Of course, it could bounce off that trend line and come down here and ride support again, you know. But yeah, another solid company. Love BNB. They're not going anywhere. You know, BNB is the crypto that powers the BNB chain. Binance US, they have the big exchange. Good company. Let's move on here. All right, Uniswap, another good one. Network of DeFi apps and a crypto exchange. You know, it's another one. I truly believe it's at the bottom. You know, I can't see these coins going any lower than that. You know, so most of them are down 90-95%. That's a lot. That's about what happens in a bear market. 90-95-98% down. You know, that's normal. Had an all-time high of $44.92, $44.92. Let's put a fib on it once. Okay, if that's the bottom, Uniswap. Holy cow! Yeah, $180. Between 150 and 180 bucks. Yeah, you can buy it now for, what is it, $5. But yeah, good company, not going anywhere. They do a lot of business. Solid, good platform. All right, moving on. Let's see what else we got here. Filecoin. This is another one. I've never personally bought it, but it's amazing what where it's at. Honestly, I'm kind of shocked. Has an all-time high of $236.84. $236.84. It's down below $8 right now. This is probably just a fluke over here. Don't mind that. We're gonna take the all-time high from there. Yeah. Okay. We'll even move it down here. Just put it on there. Filecoin. It could go from $8 to $980. Between $850 and $980 for $8. That's 100x. Yeah. That a lot of people out. If you're watching this, you're probably laughing, thinking there is no way that these coins are going to do 100x's. Personally, I've seen it a pile of times. Look at this buying down here. Look at that. There's people out there that know exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's crazy. A lot of buying down here. You know, all the red is selling, the green is buyers. Look at that spike. That's great. Filecoin's a good coin, and that's 10. And I wanted to throw one more in here because this coin, VeChain. The VeChain is solid. They are a company that I fell in love with during the bear market, and I just absolutely love VeChain. I see big things out of this company. They are definitely on the rise. Love them. VeThor is the gas for the VeChain network. You could be looking at you know, a dollar VeChain. You know, what is it right now? 2 cents or something? Yeah, almost 3 cents. So you're looking at a 50x, and quite honestly, I think it's going to go higher than $1. The next VeChain is it's a solid company. But there's my top 10, guys. That's the coins that I personally am looking to invest in, and some coins for you to look into and do your own research on. But some solid companies, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and please consider subscribing. I could use some people to chat with about crypto. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.